Take a close look at this lens. At first glance, it looks like a mild prescription, right? Well, think again, this is a -8.00 diopter lens. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of high-end optical tech to show you how we turn Coke bottle glasses into a masterpiece of precision. The 1.7 for index secret. The first secret is the 1.7 for index. It's the densest organic material in the world. The higher the index, the more efficiently the lens bends light, allowing us to shave off up to 50% of the edge thickness, compared to standard lenses. But the material is only half the battle. The crucial role of frame choice and centering. The pro tip here is the boxing of the frame. For high myopia, pupil centering is your best friend. If your eye is perfectly centered within the frame's lens area, we naturally cut off the thickest part of the glass located at the edges. That's why small, round, or oval frames will always look thinner than large, square ones. Pre-calibration and edgeless technology. Even before manufacturing starts, we perform a thickness study and digital pre-calibration. We simulate the frame shape so the lab can cut the lens with surgical precision. On this specific pair, we even used an edgeless thinning technology for an invisible finish. Zero result. Featherlight comfort and a natural look without that shrunken eye effect. Outro and engagement. Technology is here so your prescription never has to be an insecurity again. If these optical tips help you choose your next pair, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like to support the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. See you soon for more informative videos.